In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your phone number from your Google business profile. This is a common concern for businesses wishing to keep their contact details private. Although removing the phone number entirely isn't an option, I'll show you how to hide it from public view. To start, open your web browser and type in business.google.com in the address bar. This will take you to the main portal for managing your Google business profile. Once you're there, look in the upper right corner for the sign in button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to log in using the email associated with your business account. If you're already logged in, you'll be directed straight to your business profile page. Now, it's important to understand that while you can't completely remove the phone number due to the necessity of keeping certain contact information for verification purposes, you do have the option to prevent it from being shown publicly. This means your number will still be associated with your account, but it won't be visible to those viewing your profile. On your business profile page, you'll want to locate the three vertical dots, often referred to as a More Options or menu, near the top of the screen. Click on this and from the drop-down menu, select Business Profile Settings. This will bring up the Business Settings menu. Next, look for the option labeled Advanced Settings and click on it. As you scroll down through the advanced settings, you'll come across a section dedicated to your phone number. This is where you can make the necessary changes to hide your number. Beneath the phone number section, you'll see an option to Don't Show Your Number Publicly. There is a toggle switch next to this option. Simply click it to turn on the Don't Show feature. You'll know you've done this successfully when the toggle switch turns blue, indicating that your phone number will no longer be displayed to the public on your business page. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can maintain the privacy of your contact information while still keeping your Google business profile fully operational and verified. It's a straightforward process that helps you control what information is shared with your customers and the public. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or refer to Google support pages for additional guidance. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.